What's up everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a cabin air filter change on a Lincoln MKX. This will also work on the forward edge. So the only thing you're going to need is your new cabin air filter. I picked this one up for about 20 bucks at the local auto parts store. And that's it. There's no tools needed. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So the first thing we want to do is open the glove box. Then there's a little retaining clip right here. We can see the back side of it here. And on this side, you can see the clip with a little bungee cord attached to it. And I find the easiest way to get it off is to go from this side, and we're gonna be pushing down and then out this way. Push down, out, and you'll see that'll just kind of spring back up in there, that's fine. Now on our left-hand side, we need to push this little tab in this way, push it in so it can clear that behind it, and then just pull the glove box down, and this side will just pull past it. And now we just wanna leave it hanging down like that. Now that we have that down, you can see the cabin door air filter right here, the door to the air filter. So how we're gonna get that off is there's a clip on the left side here. Push that clip in, and the front will just pop off like that. Now we can actually see our air filter right here. And notice how it's sitting in there, the flat part on the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that out and grab the new one. Get that in there, make sure it's sitting in there properly. Flat part on the bottom. If you have any extra leaves or any kind of like noticeable dirt, you can go ahead and get that out before you shut it too. And now we're just gonna close it up. Just do the exact same thing we did in reverse. So we'll put our door on like that. Okay, so now we got our door back on. And for this next part, we need to reach up in here and grab our retaining clip that's on that bungee cord. And just pull it and hold it out of the way. Then we need to put this back up. We need to push this tab over again, let it clear, push in. Then we need to reattach that clip, get that in there. And then once that's on, that's it. And close it up. If you guys could take a second to like the video and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.